Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To understand.
Καταλαβαίνω.
To speak.
Μιλάω.
To listen.
Ακούω.
To play.
Παίζω.
To start.
Αρχίζω.
To show.
Δείχνω.
To live.
Ζω.
To like.
Αρέσω.
To love.
Αγαπάω.
To change.
Αλλάζω.
To meet.
Συναντιέμαι.
To learn.
Μαθαίνω.
To believe.
Πιστεύω.
To run.
Τρέχω.
To help.
Βοηθάω.
To watch.
Βλέπω.
To wait.
Περιμένω.
To remember.
Θυμάμαι.
To stay.
Μένω.
To buy.
Αγοράζω.
To sell.
Πουλάω.
To pay.
Πληρώνω.
To lose.
Χάνω.
To win.
Κερδίζω.
To create.
Δημιουργώ.
Quiz time.
Μιλάω. Μιλάω. Αγοράζω. Αγοράζω. Παίζω. Παίζω. Αγαπάω. Αγαπάω. Μαθαίνω. Μαθαίνω. Καταλαβαίνω. Καταλαβαίνω.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.